Hi guys. So in this video, I wanted to discuss a very fundamental question that sometimes we don't ask ourselves while using unordered map during the questions which involve hashing. So map and unordered map in STL, that is C++, it is used when we want to make a hash table, basically hash map, or we want to map a particular key with some value or something like that. So in those kind of areas, we require map, and most of the hashing questions make use of map only. Hashing questions like count subarrays, find number of subs, not subsequent, sorry, find the like the string questions, like find how many distinct characters, like those kind of questions I'm saying. So those kind of questions require you to use map, unordered map, whatever. Usually in Geeks for Geeks, we see unordered map everywhere. And in Code Forces and even Code Chef, people prefer unordered map. But actually, if we look at the code, the Geeks for Geeks website, then we can see here that if we type map versus unordered map, the search time for map is log n, and the worst case for unordered map is O of n. So they have mentioned over here we need to use map when we have to print or access data, or we have to keep the data in a particular order. So they have given us the advantages, I mean the places where we have to use map. Similarly, unordered map, if we have to keep a count of something or we have to access single element, then we use unordered map. So actually, while learning map and unordered map, we kind of like skip this part. We don't realize when to use, when not to use. If you're a beginner or even a person who has done a lot of questions using map and unordered map, you might have just gone with unordered map because in Geeks for Geeks, everywhere the solution has unordered map only. But I would like to actually give an example for this. I was solving this problem, subarray sum. So first of all, we'll see what the problem is. We are given n integers. We have to count a number of subarrays having sum equal to x. And negative numbers are also present. I got two wrong solutions. I was getting TLE. I will show you both of them. So I hope you understood the question. If you don't know how to do this question, well, I will show you the code over here. The code over here is this. So this is the code to find the count of subarrays which have a sum equal to k. In this case, I've taken k. So actually, in order to reduce the time, I was getting time limit exceeded, as you can see here. I thought maybe I'll use scanf printf, but it actually doesn't matter. So it, what is the code? The code is basically this much only. Here we are using unordered map, because when I had learned this problem, this technique, I had used unordered map and I had got correct answer. Actually, in almost all the places I use unordered map only, but over here I was getting TLE. And when I used map, I got everything correct. So I would say for Code Chef, Code Forces contests, use unordered map. Even if you have an interview or something like that, use unordered map, because test cases most of the time are not so strong. Otherwise, in bigger competitions and more prestigious competitions, I would say if you have to find something related to map, like counting or whatever, always prefer map only. So that's all I wanted to tell in this video. I just gave an example. It will be beneficial for you. I'm pretty sure if you're a beginner or even if you have done at least 5-10 questions, you might have a doubt. Like if you would have tried this question by yourself after using unordered map, anyway you would have got stuck. So some of you might be thinking you can try both, whatever works is fine. That's also true. But I would suggest for core forces and core chef round, majority of the times use unordered map itself. And for bigger competitions wherein the test cases are quite, hard, like I hope you're understanding. So there use a map. Sometimes even code forces, there are like 200 test cases. But I have observed one thing, unordered map will work in code forces also. Most of the time, that is. If there is some question which it doesn't work, put it in the comment section. All of us can see that. So I just wanted to convey this to you. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share my videos if you find it interesting. And also look at my playlist. In my playlist, I have made many videos. I've made videos on sliding window and some on number theory. And I'll be uploading one more video on sliding window today. So watch that also. I hope you saw this video till the end. And that's all. Thank you. Bye.